Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Pair, and as promised, the next video is for the same customer, Pat, in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Pat's last job was just a radio. This is a 72 Ford AM-FM-8 track, which Pat has requested the modern internal conversion to restore full operation, and it's also got my my special tape head preamp to bring out the brightness lost over tapes over the years when they get dirty and old. So I've got it set to AM at the moment. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Influence people to the good, what I wrote in my diary.
And we'll switch to our speaker meters so we can demonstrate the balance and fader functions.
That is exactly. I heard you say that.
Front rear fader. Here we go.
Front rear fader. In high school, what you
fader adjust.
Okay. So now we're adjusting our all the way front, all the way rear,
you probably
front, rear.
If one advances confidently in the direction of his dreams,
fader set.
Fader set.
To live the
Okay.
life
Left, right balance.
Imagined, he will meet
balance adjust.
Alrighty.
it in common hours.
All the way left. Say something
balance
quick.
set.
Okay. I had to do it again.
Sometimes,
It timed out.
Sometimes it's true, and sometimes it's not.
Balance adjust.
Live in Los Angeles, a city
These guys would
filled
talk a
with
little bit
people
more often. This makes us
dreams
either
were
all the
to
way
be
left,
Hollywood stars,
all the way right.
and they are
Left.
most of the time
Right.
waiting on
Okay, I'm gonna
tables,
center
which I
them.
consider a great profession, actually, but it's not their dream.
Balance
Set. Okay, let's go over to FM. I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area so we can get through this test quickly. Okay, there's FM.
Inclusive, pues...
Oh, bless you, Blake.
No, I'm talking about people hunting.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Blank spot there. We'll just wait for the next song to start. Maybe we don't want to wait that long. Okay, now we're coming up on an automatic track change. I think there's an automatic track change. Okay, pull the tape.
You're in Arizona.
Radio comes right back, and that concludes the test. Everything's working. Let's test the dial light. Make sure that that lights up like it's supposed to. I know that it does because I replaced them with brand new. Yep, there we go. We got dial light. All right, so that concludes the test. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the website and the work order will answer at least 95% of your questions, leaving me on the bench where the work gets done and off the phone where nothing gets done. So, thank you again, Pat, for your business all the way from Oklahoma. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.